Hi everyone, welcome back to the another video. In this video, we discuss the new feature which is in SharePoint Admin Center. How to set the default storage for a new site. So you can see the I am logging in Microsoft365.com site. If I go to the apps and if I expand all the apps, you can see the all Microsoft 365 apps is available here. You can see the admin option. If I click on it, it will be navigate to the admin center dashboard. In the left menu bar, if I click on the show all option and then select the SharePoint, it navigated to the SharePoint admin center. Then click on the setting option. You can see the all the settings of SharePoint configuration available here. Here you can see that the site storage limit setting or another is site creation. In site creation, you can set the default setting for a new site. But before that, you go to the site storage limit. Here you can see it's automatic site storage limit is set. But I want to set it manual for each site, so I just select the manual option and click on the save. Then I go to the site creation. Now here you can see the default storage limit for a new site is visible. Here you can set the manual storage for each and every site as per your requirement. So here you can I just set it here 2 terabyte and just click on it. If I go to the active site, if I go to the option like create site, standard type of a site which is the team site and communication site. If I click on the team site and just select the standard template for create a site, if I click on this use template, here I just give the name for a site. I just say to it demo site 123. Just assign the group owner. Then click on next. Here you can see the by default storage limit is 2 terabyte. Set particular for each and every site. I just set it for 1 terabyte. Then click on creates. Now here you can see the demo site 123 is created successfully. If I click on that demo site and in a general configuration tab, you can see the storage limit 1 terabyte is selected successfully. If I click on the edit option, here you can easily change the site as per your requirement. So this way you can easily set the default storage for new site as per your requirement. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel